Stop right there. Are you about to embark on a kitchen renovation or just tired of daily frustration in your current space? The kitchen is the heart of your home, but it also where costly design mistakes can cause daily headaches and years of regret. Now, before you spend another dollar, you need to know these 7 common kitchen design mistakes you absolutely must avoid in 2025. Let's create a kitchen that truly works for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, without further ado, let's dive in straight to these crucial kitchen design mistakes, shall we? Mistake number 1, a dysfunctional kitchen work triangle. This is fundamental. It refers to the path between your sink, refrigerator, and stove. If these are too far apart or too close, you are just creating a messy, inefficient workflow. Too far apart, you're hiking miles daily, and too close, and it's a chaotic bottleneck. This is a huge kitchen layout mistake that impacts every single meal prep. The fix: aim for each leg of your triangle to be between 4 and 9 feet. Think about your actual movement patterns. This minimizes steps and maximizes efficiency. An efficient kitchen layout is a key to a functional kitchen. Mistake number 2, relying on just one overhead light. Now imagine trying to chop vegetables in your own shadow. It's frustrating, inefficient, and even dangerous. Poor kitchen lighting makes your space feel dull and impacts visibility. The fix: layer your lighting. Number 1, ambient lighting. They are like recess lighting or central fixtures. Task lighting, crucial under cabinet lighting for countertops and pendants over the island. Accent lighting, which is the mood lighting, like in cabinet lighting or subtle up lights. Proper kitchen lighting design is a game changer for both function and kitchen ambience. Mistake number 3, not enough smart storage. Now, if your countertops are perpetually buried under appliances, dishes, and gadgets, you haven't planned for effective kitchen storage solutions. This creates visual chaos and unnecessary stress. The fix: plan for every single item. Think beyond basic cabinets. Incorporate pull-out pantries, deep drawers for pots and pans, vertical dividers for trays, roll-out cycling centers, and even toe kick drawers. Every inch counts in a modern kitchen. Maximize the vertical space. Mistake number 4, falling for looks-only material. That marble countertop is gorgeous, but is it right for your family? Marble is extremely porous, soft stone. Marble can actually absorb liquids like wine, juice, or oil, leading to stains or discoloration. Choosing materials purely for looks without considering durability, maintenance, and your lifestyle is a big mistake. This misstep can lead to quick regret and costly repairs in your kitchen renovation. The fix: balance beauty with practicality. Choose durable countertops like quartz or granite that stands up to daily use. Select easy to clean, backsplash, and resilient flooring. Research materials based on your lifestyle. Do you cook a lot? Do you have kids? Do you have pets? Do you see what I mean? Mistake number 5, skimping on proper ventilation. If your kitchen smells like last night's dinner for hours, or smoke alarms are your cooking timer, your range hood isn't cutting it. Poor ventilation means grease buildup, lingering odors, and compromised air quality. The fix: invest in range hood that's adequately sized for your cooktop and has sufficient CFM, that's cubic feet per minute power. It's not just decorative element, it's vital for air quality, cleanliness, and the longevity of your kitchen surfaces. Mistake number 6, not enough accessible outlets or forgetting tech integration in 2025. Our kitchens are our command centers. Struggling to plug in your coffee maker, toaster, and phone charger simultaneously is a daily annoyance. The fix: plan for ample outlets on your island, along backsplash, and even inside pantry cabinets for charging small appliances. Consider USB ports, pop-up outlets, or even dedicated charging drawers. A modern kitchen needs modern power. Mistake number 7, falling into the trap of being either too generic or too trendy. A kitchen that lacks personality feels cold. A kitchen that's too trendy will look dated in a year. You don't want a cookie cutter space, but you also don't want future regrets. Like, stay away from open shelving trend. It's good to show off on Pinterest, but when it comes to day-to-day use, it gathers dust and looks unsightly. Best to keep your daily use dishes inside your cabinet. Now the fix. Build a timeless foundation with your cabinetry, countertops, and flooring. Then inject your personality and current style through elements that are easier to change, like lighting, fixtures, hardware, bar stools, textiles, and decorative accessories. This allows your kitchen design to evolve with you. Avoiding these 7 common kitchen design mistakes will save you headaches, money, and ensure you have a truly beautiful and functional kitchen that you'll adore for years to come. If this video gave you the insights you needed, please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe for more essential home design tips and hit the notification bell. And hey, if you love learning what not to do in the kitchen, you will definitely want to watch my other popular video, which is the 10 things you should never decorate with in 2025. It's packed with even more foundational design advice to help you avoid those common decorating blunders throughout your entire home. Now tell me in the comments, what's the biggest kitchen mistake you have ever seen? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.